Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up and start streaming on Twitch using Streamlabs. So whether you are a beginner or just looking for a step-by-step guide, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, make sure you've installed Streamlabs on your computer. So if you don't have it installed yet, head over to streamlabs.com and download the software for your operating system. So once you have it installed on your computer, the next thing you want to do is to open up Streamlabs and then click on this login button at the bottom left corner. Once you click on that, you see these options to log in with. Select login with Twitch, and then it will ask you to authorize that. So let's wait for the page to load up. Right, so this is my Twitch account right here. So what I just have to do is to scroll down and select this authorize button. Right, so it will start logging in automatically. Now let's wait for a few seconds. All right, so this is my Streamlabs dashboard. So I've logged in successfully. So if you want to confirm that, you just have to scroll down and you find it right here. So the next thing we have to do, guys, is to head to settings. So I have to click on settings, and then I'm going to select output, and then from here all you have to do is to increase this bitrate to from 4,000 to 6,000. all right, depending on your computer, right? But for me, I can only select at least 4,000 and below. All right, so I'm going to leave this bitrate at 4,000, and then that's all for the output. I'll click on done, and then I'll still go to my settings, select audio, and then right here you have to click on this drop down to select your computer, to select your audio device, your computer audio device. All right, so I'll select that, and then for this mic/auxiliary device, I'll click on that and select my external microphone. So I'm using external microphone, so I'll select that one. If you're not using an external microphone, you can go ahead and select the computer's microphone. All right, so once you do that, just go ahead and click on done. So the next thing you want to do now is to add some overlays. So I already have my video capture added. Yeah, so I just have to increase this. In case you don't know how to do that, you can just add a source. I added that from a source. All right, so it's very easy. So once you have it, because you can't leave this place blank, you have to add a scene by clicking on this plus sign. Then you can see, you can give your scene a title, then click on done, just like that. All right, so once a scene is added right here, you can add a source by clicking on this plus sign, and then you can select any source like images, video capture, gameplay, Windows capture, display capture, browser source, etc. So once you select, then you get this option to add source. So once it's added, then you can now drag and drop it on the screen right here. So as you can see, I added a video capture source, and that's why it can capture me, right? So now once that is added, the next thing I just have to do is to click on go live. So once I click on go live, I'll be live on Twitch. All right, and if I want to end the live, I will see the end live option right here to end my live. Right, so that's it, guys. That's it on how to go live on Twitch using Streamlabs. All right, hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.